In the world of PC gaming, having a good computer monitor really makes a big difference. You can have the best computer in the world, but if you don't have a good monitor to back it up, it's practically pointless. Now, this here is the all-new BenQ EX3501R. That is right, BenQ has brought us a brand new gaming monitor that features a 35-inch panoramic curved screen. Now, this also features a HDR for video performance, USB-C 1 cable connectivity, as well as eye care. So it does come with a lot of different features in a package. Now, this shoots at 3440 by 1440, which is not 4K, but it's pretty good in terms of an optimal gaming. Now, it also features a 21:9 aspect ratio for a nice cinematic ultra high resolution feel. Now, if you wanted your very own, be sure to check out BenQ's link down below in the description. So without further ado, let's go ahead and rewind, unbox this thing, and try it out. So this here is our gigantic box. Now the display itself does show the multi-screen display, meaning you can go ahead and put them next to each other, and the bezel is so thin that you can actually go ahead and line them up without any issue. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what it looks like on the inside. Alright, so we have ourselves an HDMI cable. We have ourselves a DP to mini DP. We have ourselves a USB Type-C. And then we have ourselves a power cable as well. So it does come with everything that you need to go ahead and set up this monitor, as it's literally out of the box. That is actually a very nice size. So first impressions, I have to say this thing is absolutely beautiful. I love the whole design concept of it, and the style of it is actually on point. Meaning you get a lot of different features, such as this nice thin bezel, allowing you to go ahead and connect multiple screens to create a nice seamless feel. Now it's got this nice two-tone kind of finish with black on the front and this satin gray on the back. It's even got this nice chrome finish on the bottom, as well as a BenQ logo engraved on the back. Now you have your buttons here on the front, as well as a variety of different ports on the back, so you can connect all your devices. So the idea of it looks really nice, and essentially it's very aesthetically appealing. Now the more important thing is how it works. So let's go ahead and set this thing up next and try it out. So our monitor is finally connected to our computer, and I have to say, so far it's delivering exactly the way it's supposed to. The color contrast on this is on point. Literally you see blacks are blacks and whites are whites. You don't really see any kind of weird coloration, and literally the color of it is very vibrant. Now in terms of a gaming computer monitor goes, this here seems like it's delivering quite well, but there's no way to tell without actually playing a game and actually testing it out for its true performance. So let's go ahead and load up Project Cars 2 here. Now let's go ahead and click start here and see how it looks. That looks really nice. You can see how vibrant the colors are. Nice. Alright, so right off the back I'm going to say that the motion blur on this, you can tell that it's doing a great job with the refresh rate. You see everything in detail, which is exactly how a monitor should handle. Oh my god! Yeah, that was pretty bad. Anyways, continuing on, the monitor size is actually, it's not too big and it's not too small. I think it's just right, especially for a person that's just trying to get a nice gaming monitor goes. This here actually delivers quite well. Now, you can't really tell at all that it's a curved screen. They did a great job kind of disguising that. Obviously, it's more geared towards the viewer. So just keep that in mind in terms of when you're buying this kind of monitor. I know a lot of people refrain from curved monitors because they feel like, is it gonna really eliminate that whole feel? I think it actually does a great job in terms of delivering that. Now, so far I have to say, this is actually a really nice monitor. The quality of it is really delivering. I mean, we actually have everything on the highest settings right now, so seeing it all perform is really nice. So you can even change the view here. So we'll go into the interior here. Look at that. That is crazy. So we'll go back outside there again. Oh. All right, we gotta pass off these people. All right, I'm gonna cut this guy off. Nice. So yeah, kind of gives you an idea exactly how this monitor works. And overall, I have to say, it's actually quite well. I mean, look, we're going like 200 miles per hour. Oh my God. All right, we'll stop for now. All right, well, there you have it. I hope this kind of gives you an idea of what this gaming monitor is about. Now, if you're actually in the market for a gaming monitor, this might be the one for you. Just because it's not too big and it's not too small, and it actually delivers the way it's supposed to. Now, if you guys had any questions at all, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you for watching and see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.